What's up YouTube, Jeff back from Sammy Guru here, and today another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. Is a very good day to be a Samsung fan because Samsung is rolling out the brand new tap to transfer feature in Samsung Wallet, which means you can basically just tap your smartphone to the back of another phone or even someone's debit card and instantly transfer money to them, which is absolutely crazy. I told you guys about this feature a couple of months ago because it was going to be coming out and testing along with the brand new Samsung Installment Pay, which I've also been testing. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys what the brand new transfer feature looks like, how you can get it, how you can set it up, and how you guys can use it today. Before we get started, I remind you guys, make sure you check out our website, sammyguru.com. You can find out about really cool stuff like this and lots of other Samsung update news, tips, tricks, tutorials, reviews. You can also get in our mystery box program. If you tap that orange banner at the top, anytime you buy a brand new Samsung phone, Galaxy S, Galaxy Z, Galaxy Watch, you can get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, other randomly inserted goodies. For the foldable launch, for the first time ever, we'll have free screen protectors guaranteed in every box. So tap on the phone you're interested in. This is US only. Put in your phone number, your email, or both. You'll get the link to order directly from Samsung on launch day. It's our affiliate link. That's how we pay for the program. We cover all the shipping costs and all the items in the box. It's a way to give back to you guys and also monetize the site so we don't have to run crazy pop-up ads everywhere and give you guys a clean experience and give back for supporting the channel and the website. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be in the pinned comment and description below. So Samsung is now rolling out the brand new tap to transfer feature. And before I actually show you guys there how it works, let's go into the notices and take a look at the quick release about this. Introducing tap to transfer, Samsung Wallet's new peer-to-peer payment feature. You can send money to friends and family by tapping your phones together. The funds sent via tap to transfer go directly to the recipient's bank account and are available almost instantly. Even works with iPhones or Pixels as long as the person has a Google Wallet or Apple Wallet installed with a Visa or Master debit card. Tap your phone to their contactless Visa or MasterCard to send money as well. Because you're tapping it directly to the recipient's phone or debit, there's no need to search for the recipient's user ID, address, or phone number. Just tap to pay. So if you go to learn more, you can figure out how to enroll here. This is the same spiel that we just read. You want to tap Update Wallet here. So once you tap Update Wallet, it'll take you to the Galaxy Store. You should see this version, 6.0.39, will be the version that'll allow you to enable this. May 26, 2025 is when it started rolling out, but it didn't start arriving for people until yesterday, the 29th of May. 318.56 megs, so it's a pretty large update, which makes sense given that it brings this new feature. So once you do that, you'll set it up by doing the following. Get this version of Samsung Wallet, add a Visa or Master debit card to your Samsung Wallet if you haven't already. I have noticed not all of them are eligible. I have a couple different debit cards. One of them, which I think was maybe my business one, was not eligible, but the consumer one was eligible, so I was able to add that in there. Make sure the recipient has either the following Visa or MasterCard debit card added to Apple Wallet, Google Wallet, or Samsung Wallet, or a contactless Visa or MasterCard that you tap to pay with NFC at any terminal. You can just tap it to the card. How to send money? Open the Samsung Wallet app, go to Quick Access tab, scroll to your Visa or Master debit card, and click on Tap the Transfer button under your debit card. On the enter amount screen, input the amount of money you want to send, then click done. If the recipient's using a physical debit card, place their card against the back of your phone. If the recipient's using their phone, have them open their digital wallet, select their debit card, then tap on the back of your phone. They may need to authenticate on their phone if prompted. For proper tap locations, tap the phones back to back if both are Samsung devices. If sending funds to an iPhone or a Pixel, tap the top of the iPhone or Pixel to the back of your device. So this is a little complicated. A lot of people probably aren't going to read this, which is why I'm bringing it to you guys so you know. When you see the confirm button on your phone, review all the details and authenticate with your fingerprint or PIN. At that point, a check mark should appear confirming that the money is sent and on its way. So no Samsung Wallet fees. You also have a number to contact them if you need to. There's no wallet fees on tap to transfer, send money to your friends and family, instant access. Now, if you scroll down to the fine print, it says from 5:30 to 7:24 only, typically a 1.75% fee or 25% minimum will be applied to transactions made using tap to transfer, subject to all other limitations. Daily transaction limit of 500, no more than 10 transactions in a 24-hour period. Weekly limit of 1,500 and a monthly limit of 7,000. So there are some restrictions here. You are going to have to pay a 1.75% fee, which could be not ideal if you're sending a lot of money. You really would only want to do this like pay for lunch or something. But at least for now, until July 24th, they want to get you hooked on the convenience And so I'm going to show you guys right now how this works. Okay, so here we are on the screen where you can do the tap to transfer, find the card you want, tap on tap to transfer. It tells you right here the information that we just went over. You can tap next. You're going to put the amount here. So this time I'm just going to put in $5. There's no fee right now, but you can see the fee is going to be paid by the sender in general. I'm going to use my own debit card here to do the tap. So tap next. And then what you're going to do is tap the contactless card to the back here. And you can see right there, it's been done. It's been transferred from my one account to my other account using the debit card, which was very, very simple. And then you'll get a little notification up here, of course, showing you Samsung Pay, where it was sent to if you use the debit card. So now let me try to show you guys an example of doing this from a phone to a phone. My buddy Tori, who also co-hosts our podcast, try to send him some money really quick and see how this works. So now I'm gonna send $5 to Tori's phone by using Samsung Wallet phone to phone tap. Put the two phones back to back in the middle here because they're both Samsung phones. So there I'm gonna do that. And now he's gonna authenticate on his phone. And then we're gonna put the phones back to back here. And you can see I'm gonna confirm the send to Tori. It's sending. And there it is. Tori's got $5 instantaneously. That's pretty cool, honestly. So it works not only with the debit card, but also phone to phone, very simply. You guys can see here, I sent another $5 to Tori in this case, and I sent $5 to myself. So you can see the two different ones that I sent to. I sent one to Tori, which was Wells Fargo. I sent one to myself, which was my other bank account that I used, my business account. So this works very, very well. Samsung's got this set up. I think a lot of people will use it, but again, they're really gonna hook you in because they're gonna start charging a 1.75% fee after July 24th. So keep in mind, if you get used to this and you love it, you might just want to realize you're gonna have to pay that fee at some point. So anyway, let me know what you guys think about this. Will you use it? Again, check out the website, sammyguru.com, latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews. Get in those mystery box program if you guys are interested for the foldable launch. Appreciate you guys checking out this video. And of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.